Topic number 6. Installing file services steps. Step 1. Go to the Start menu and select Server Manager. Select po natin ang Server Manager. Step 2. The Server Manager console will be open. Select Add Roles from right pane. Click po natin yung Server Manager, tapos makikita po natin yung roles. Tapos click po natin para makita rin yung Add Roles. Step number 3. Select the file services role from the roles list and click Next. Step 4. Next, read the introduction of file services and click Next. Step 5. Select the create namespace letter using the DFS management option and click Next. DFS namespace. Click po natin. And then click po natin yung create a namespace later using the DFS management snap in server manager, and then click Next. Step 7. Review the confirmation wizard for role services and click Install. Step number 8. Click the installation. Check the installation progress.